Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. It's kind of been a while since I posted one of these, and the reason is because on my 21st birthday, I was actually in Vegas and I was celebrating with my homies, but I basically didn't like trade. I took one trade over there, and it was a Thursday, last Thursday. It's currently Wednesday today, so almost a week ago. And then Friday, I did not take. I didn't even look at the market Friday. Saturday, so that's Friday without a trade. Saturday, weekend, obviously. Sunday, weekend. Monday was Memorial Day, so bank holiday. Whole market was closed. That's 4 days. And then Tuesday, um, I was looking at the market and I actually didn't take a trade. So that's 5 days without taking a trade, which is crazy. But today we finally um, got some pretty good price action. But we took two trades today, and I'm gonna show you my thought process and or the overall trades I actually took. We were 0 for 2 today, and we risked 1% per trade. So total we lost 2% on our 50K demo account, which is about it's right under 1,000. I think we lost like $930 today. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's go to NQ first because I actually took a trade on NQ and I took one trade on ES. So let's go ahead and look into that. So going into the market, my bias was bearish because just boom, right? Look at all that. Break structure 2, bearish, right? Let's go to the hourly. I'm bearish as well on the hourly. Right before market open, which is right here, this dotted line. And we do get the liquidity sweep right here. I already marked it, but this blue line. Every time we're short biased and we're looking for shorts, I want to see a liquidity sweep on the buy side liquidity, and then boom, sell-offs after that. So that's kind of what we got, but let me just show you guys on the 15-minute. This is pre-market, right? We get the liquidity sweep pre-market, right? We're getting sell-offs. So right here, I'm actually, before market actually opens, I want price to shoot back up into this, this fair value gap right here. I can mark it on the 15-minute, but I think we marked it on the 5-minute. But I want to see it retrace into this fair value gap right here, and maybe even this breaker block right here, and the order block as well, right? And price does that, right? Price actually does all three, I think, on the 15-minute. Yeah. So it gets right into this unicorn, or not a unicorn because the fair value gap's not right there, but let's go down to the 5-minute. You can see my executions right here. I'm actually just gonna turn them off right now because they're kind of distracting. But you might ask, like, why did you not enter right here right after price wicks into the breaker block and order block? We could scroll down into the 5-minute, or the 1-minute, sorry. So boom, yeah, we see price go into there, and yeah, you might ask, like, why I didn't, as soon as I saw this 1-minute closure, take a short off that, target that. But I wanted a 1-minute confluence too, right? So we see price came into the area which we wanted it to come in, right? It came into the breaker block and the order block, and then boom, we see the rejection to that, which is good. And now I see a bullish fair value gap right here, and I mark that out, right? Mind you, it's only like 7:40, right? So that's 10 minutes before the kill zone on when I like to take a trade. I like to take a trade between 7:50 and 8:10. So it's almost the kill zone. I marked this fair value gap right here. This is a big bullish fair value gap that price is respecting the crap out of. And honestly, I was just kind of foolish on taking a short when after no confluences. It was just respecting this fair value gap so well. But this is where I entered, right? So I see price reject this. That's good. I see the bullish fair value gap. I want price to disrespect that because that'll tell me that price doesn't care about that and it's gonna go even lower, right? So I see it gets disrespected, and then I enter off the closure of this 1 minute candle, setting my stop loss above the fair value gap and setting my take profit below on this fair value gap right here. I initially was gonna set my take profit on this low, but I wanted to do my first one right here, and then if it hit, have runners focused on this low right here. So we targeted the low hanging fruit, I guess. I guess that's how you would label that as. But yeah, we took the trade, and look, price goes down a little bit, just instantly climbs back up, takes us out of our trade right there. So that was the first trade we took on NQ, and yeah, it was just really like crazy to me. Like I was certain, like, as soon as we got the because I thought this was a retracement, and obviously you could tell like this is not a retracement, right? Like this is crazy. Yeah, I thought it was just gonna retrace into here and then go further down, but I guess not. Let's go over to ES. We literally took the exact same trade on ES like 25 minutes later, which is foolish of me because I need to stop like taking trades on the 1 minute before 5 minute confluences happen. Like I'm on such low time frames that they're not trustworthy enough to take, right? I need to like scale down like in order from like the 15, 5, then the 1. I'm literally just sitting on the 1 the whole time, which is I think why I lost both of these trades, because I'm not seeing the bigger picture and I'm just seeing the small movements when I see the small movements happen, that's when I enter. But obviously, look, I entered off this small movement and it kept going higher. But anyways, let's get into it. We got the liquidity sweep pre-market. Here, let's mark the market open. 7:30, right? Rallies, same thing. We want price to enter in here. I think does this hit equilibrium too? Let's see. Yeah, so look at this one on ES. Price not only taps to the 50% mark of the bearish fair value gap and respects it, and is in equilibrium, right? This is perfect. This is even better than the NQ trade, right? Scale down. Now I'm scaling down into the 1 minute. So I think what I did correctly on this is I waited for the equilibrium to hit. I waited for the 5 minute fair value gap to hit 50%, right? And then as you can see, we got a little, look at this, a bullish fair value gap right here get disrespected. It got disrespected right here as well, but as I saw, look, I didn't enter on this disrespecttion of it because right after that I waited again because I wanted to see like if I would get stopped out like this. I would have actually if I took this trade. So I was waiting, I waited. I saw another bullish fair value gap that we can mark right here. Extend that out. Boom. And then price, look, it comes into it, fully closes again, and look, what I did wrong is after I saw that, I was like, okay, surely we're going down now because it disrespected 2 bullish fair value gaps. But look, I didn't wait another minute to see if it would actually go down, because look, I didn't wait to see if it was gonna go down and touch this bullish fair value gap, and look, price does actually come down here right here and respects it and then goes higher. And then look, it comes down past the 50% mark, goes higher. So yeah, I literally just entered off like 1 confluence in the 1 minute. And I mean, I guess I got another confluence right here because of the break of structure. I mean, does that break structure? Yeah, it does barely, but oh no, the overall, by this time the hourly candle closed, and yeah, look, it closed bullish, so my bias low-key should have flipped to bullish once the hourly candle closed. Same with the 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle closed at bullish right here too. So maybe my bias should have flipped, but overall my whole entire bias for the day was bears, so I was just looking for shorts the whole time. But yeah, man, I got stopped out 2 trades, basically the same exact trades on NQ and ES. And yeah, we're 0 for 1 for the week because Monday was that bank holiday. Tuesday we didn't take a trade, and then today we took 2 trades and lost both of them. But so yeah, we're 0 for 1, I guess, or 0 for 2, I guess. But losing day overall. But yeah, man, we're gonna learn from this for sure. I think I'm just gonna really wait for these 5-minute confluences and not being so impatient. I need to have more patience. Really wait on this 5-minute because I think the 5-minute was key today. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna hit it hard tomorrow. Hopefully just get this loss off of our shoulders, not think about it. We're about to go to the gym, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good one.